You created that guide, course, or freebie for a reason, to grow your list, drive signups, or move people closer to buying. But if it's not being mentioned consistently across your content, it's just sitting there, unseen, unused, and underperforming. The asset to promote content focus inside Next Level Marketing AI helps your lead magnets actually perform. By promoting them naturally across relevant content your audience is already reading. With one quick setup, the AI content writing assistant can naturally highlight your assets without sounding like a plug. Just relevant, helpful, well-timed mentions that help you generate more conversions. All right, let's build one together, step by step. First, head to the left-hand menu and click Add Content Focus. That brings you to this screen right here. Now click the drop-down that says Content Focus Type and select Asset to Promote. That'll unlock the fields you'll need. First up is the Content Focus label. This is just for you. I'll type Free AI Email Marketing Guide. Asset name is what readers will see in the article. I'm using the AI Email Playbook. Then for asset type, just add the format like ebook, guide, course. Here I'll go with Free Guide. Asset description is where you explain what it is. Here's an example. A step-by-step guide to writing email campaigns powered by AI, perfect for marketers and founders who want better opens, clicks, and conversions. Next is key benefits. This helps the AI show readers why it's worth checking out. Let's say you'll learn how to write smarter subject lines, personalize at scale, and create automations that actually get results. Then we've got the asset link. In my example, this is where readers go to download the guide. I'll just paste the link. And finally, action to take. This helps the AI phrase the call to action naturally. I'll type download the free guide. All set? Click Add Content Focus and you're good to go. You can now apply this content focus to any article inside your content queue. I'll open one from my content queue called How to Write Better Emails in 2025 Without Wasting Hours. I'll go to Assign Content Focus, select Free AI Email Marketing Guide, and let the AI get to work. Here's how my free guide shows up in the final article in a section about how to write better subject lines. Avoid using all caps or too many punctuation marks. These often trigger spam filters or turn off readers immediately. Testing can also improve results over time. Try A/B testing 2 versions of your subject line for each campaign. See which one gets more opens and learn from that data. If you want help writing smarter subject lines, check out the AI Email Playbook. It shows how AI tools can help create subject lines that increase opens while saving you time across campaigns. Download the free guide here to explore simple ways to boost engagement without guessing what works best anymore. It fits the content, feels helpful, not pushy, and it gives readers a clear next step. So if you've got something valuable to share, a freebie, a course, a resource, don't let it sit on the sidelines. Create an asset to promote content focus, assign it to your next post, and let the AI get it in front of the right readers at the right time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.